Let's dive into a new feature that's going to make your workflow easier and faster than ever. The ability to customize stock art directly from within an art approval. Now you can make design edits without jumping screens, speeding up customer collaboration, and keeping everything neatly organized, all in one place. Here's how it works. Let's say you have an art approval with stock art your customer selected through your art portal. You've sent the artwork for approval, but your customer rejected it, requesting minor tweaks to the colors and text. Instead of navigating back to My Art to create a revision, you can now edit the design right here within the approval itself. To make these edits, simply click Customize directly from your art approval. Note, this applies only to GraphicsFlow Stock Art, not externally uploaded artwork. When you click Customize, you instantly land in the customizer, ready to make the requested changes. First, let's adjust the colors. Just select the color you'd like to change and choose a new one. I'm going to choose a color from a custom color palette that I set up to match my screen printing inks. Next, updating text is as easy as clicking the text box, typing in your edits, and hitting Enter. Once your changes look good, click Continue. Now you have two quick options. Save to My Art if the artwork is finalized for future use, or simply add it back to the art approval directly, especially if you anticipate additional revisions. If your artwork had been approved, you will only have the option of adding the revision as a new line item by selecting Add as New Design. This version was rejected, so you have the option of adding it back as a new version. Select Add as New Version from the drop-down and rename it, for instance, RV1 to indicate it's your first revision. You'll be directed back to the art approval. You'll immediately see the new revision labeled Newest. It doesn't clutter your list as a new item. It integrates neatly with previous versions. Use the built-in revision panel by clicking on the timer icon to easily compare changes using the version history. If further edits are needed, simply repeat this process, creating RV2, RV3, and more, all without ever leaving the approval. Once your client approves, you can download the production-ready file directly from the art approval in PNG, CDR, or PDF formats. In a future update, you'll be able to save finalized designs directly to My Art from within the approval. This new workflow transforms how you collaborate and revise designs, helping each member of your team work smarter and faster. Shop admins get quicker customer response times and organized approval records. Designers eliminate duplicated efforts and repetitive uploading. Your team can move faster without sacrificing clarity or version history. Growing shops can easily scale artwork management across the entire organization. Ultimately, this seamless integration encourages your team to use stock art more frequently, reduces custom art costs, and speeds up the buying process for your customers. This new workflow is a game changer. It simplifies the back and forth, reduces the time spent revising designs, and keeps the whole conversation in one place. Plus, it helps you to stay profitable by reducing the time and cost of developing custom art, especially on small orders. To learn more or get started, reach out to your GraphicsFlow success team. We're here to support your success.